Alright, this compact one-piece toilet has been a solid option for smaller bathrooms where space really matters. The size keeps things feeling open without giving up everyday functionality. Now, I was sent this compact one-piece toilet by CANEST, and the first thing I noticed was how streamlined the design looks once it's in place. The shorter depth and narrow width makes a big difference in tighter spaces. This toilet uses a dual flush system designed to save water with a lighter flush for liquid waste and a full flush when needed. It's built to stay quiet while still being efficient, which is especially helpful in shared spaces or at night. The soft close seat lowers gently without slamming, and the quick release feature make it easy to remove for cleaning purposes. That helps keep the seat and bowl area clean with less effort. The ceramic surface is smooth and easy to wipe down, and the standard 12-inch rough-in keeps installation straightforward. The round bowl and lower profile keeps everything compact without feeling cramped. If you're working with a smaller bathroom and want a modern, quiet, and space-saving toilet, the Canis compact toilet is a practical option for you.